In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pepperstone to TradingView. If you're someone who trades regularly, you probably know the importance of having your tools seamlessly connected. TradingView is one of the most powerful charting platforms out there, while Pepperstone is a leading broker for Forex and CFD trading. By integrating the two, you can analyze the markets and execute trades all from one place, saving time and effort. If you don't already have a Pepperstone account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, log into your Pepperstone account using your credentials. This step is essential because it ensures your account is fully prepared for integration with TradingView. Before moving forward, take a moment to check for any pending verifications or security checks on your account. If there's anything incomplete, resolve it now to avoid syncing issues later. Next, open TradingView in a new browser tab or window. Once you're there, navigate to the main TradingView dashboard. This is the area where you perform your chart analysis, and it's the starting point for connecting your broker. Now, scroll down to locate the trading panel at the bottom of the TradingView interface. The trading panel is a dedicated section designed to connect brokers like Pepperstone directly to TradingView. Open the trading panel by clicking on it. Once the panel is open, you'll see a list of brokers. Use the search bar to find Pepperstone by typing its name. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. It might take a few seconds to load, so be patient. Once Pepperstone appears in the list, click on its logo. This action tells TradingView to begin the connection process to your Pepperstone account. Next, click the Connect button when prompted. This step is crucial because it allows TradingView to securely establish a link with your Pepperstone account. Depending on your security settings, you may now be asked to confirm your Pepperstone login credentials or approve the integration. This additional step ensures that only you have the authority to link these accounts. After you've successfully authenticated, verify that the connection is complete. You'll know it's successful when you see TradingView displaying your Pepperstone details, allowing you to trade directly from your charts. With this setup, you can seamlessly analyze the markets and place trades without switching between platforms. Before you start trading, it's a good idea to review Pepperstone's fee structure. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the trading fees, spreads, and commissions that apply to your account. Remember, while the integration itself doesn't add any extra costs, standard Pepperstone fees will still apply. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Pepperstone account to TradingView, streamlining your trading experience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.